think so, yeah.
Yeah, the lights on.
We recorded. So what you about to do, man? You about to go merch shit?
Yeah, man. I had a fucked up year. Represent, promoting shit for fucking Dutch Mile, yo. That's my label. I know you heard about us.
Yeah.
All right? Got to rip shit
Do
up.
the damn thing. We about to do the damn thing.
What a shitty fucking year, man.
We about to do the damn thing.
Ready to eat this shit.
You know what I'm
Yo,
saying?
Chris, what's up, man?
My brother Kneecap,
shit.
Joey P.
Oh,
We in the building, Blackout
it's the camera
Studios.
war. Camera war.
That's what's
See a lot of familiar faces out there, you know what I'm saying? We gonna get this shit started off in just a second, but yo.
Whoever stops filming.
We got, just so y'all know, man, we got some shirts over there, some wristbands and shit. You know what I'm saying? You wanna support the cause? Just walk your ass over there, man.
I love you, Supreme.
I love you too. Yeah, so I mean, this is for hip hop, you know what I'm saying? Like, just for everybody out there to know, you know what I'm saying? We don't fuck with that funny duddy shit, you know what I'm saying? It's real legit hip hop out here. So, just do what you can, man, you know what I'm saying? Ain't no judgment out here, man. I wanna hear y'all niggas ripping, man. Setting it off, man. Got my boy Evil D right here. I wanna hear y'all shout him out and shit in just a second. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Wanna use this shit right here?
Let's do this.
Alright, let's go, man. Yo, give it up for Evil D.
Alright, give it up, guys. Give it up, guys.
Woo! Yeah!
Alright, yo. Well, you're gonna hear tonight's from my new album. My name's Evil E, by the way. Nice to meet you guys. You know?
Yeah.
I had a screwed up week, so I'm kind of out of it. So just don't piss me off, whatever y'all do. I love y'all. Dutch Mob Entertainment, baby. Y'all know about us.
Cheer.
All right? Yeah, y'all know this shit. Mob time. What's the time? It's my 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 time. If you down with the mob, then throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. If you down with the mob, then throw your signs up. Throw your signs up. Smoke up on the blood. Get fucked up. Get drugged up. Get shit wasted. Totally wasted. Don't give a damn. Fuck motherfuckers wanna be. Who the fuck is you? I just don't understand. Don't give a damn. You wanna battle me? I don't think so. Don't contest. Stuff it to your chest. I'm laying the rest. No stressing. I'll show you punk motherfuckers a whole motherfucking lesson. Yeah, this is like I'm a blessing. No doubt. Punk motherfuckers like you all know what we're all about. It's Dutch Mob in the motherfucking house. You know how to do. See what we is Dutch Mob, baby. Coming fucking through. That's my man Brew. I'm my nigga Mortal. I'm my nigga Bus. You about to get ripped and fucking crushed. Left in the dust. Like a piece of shit. The toilet should be flush. Oh fuck. That's what's up. People be Dutch Mob, baby. You don't know the deal. Be the realest motherfuckers up in this game. And the keys are real. 100%. Other MCs make no sense. They give you the ride. They commit a fucking crime. Lyrical forward. I don't give a fuck. I'm touching the fucking microphone forward. What's the time? It's my time. What's the time? It's my time. My time, yeah. What's the time? It's my time. If you're down with the mob, then throw your hands up. If you're down with the mob, then throw your hands up. Down with the mob, then throw your signs up. Throw your signs up. Just go the fucking blood. Get fucked up. Get shit wasted. Get drunk up. Get totally wasted. So what the fuck I say, kid? I don't give a fuck. There's Dutch Mob in the house. Let me know what the hell you all about. What's the time? It's my time. What's the time? It's my time. Yeah, you already know. Let's fucking go. This is what we Dutch Mob, baby, going up, taking the shows. For show, you already know how this motherfucker go. Cause what's the time? It's my time. What's the time? It's my time. What's the time? It's my time. When's my time to shine? Get my chicken low. Most motherfuckers already know. Show, better get the hell out my face. You over back and fucking verbally erase. In my mind, my lyrical skills are something y'all can never fucking find. Always fast forward into the future, never the past, never rewind. I just don't give a damn. Go ahead, you can kiss my ass. Always live in the future, never the fucking past. What's the time? It's my time. What's the time?
Woo!
It's my time.
Give it up, y'all.
Yeah! Woo!
What time is it now? What time is it?
What's the time, yo?
You ready for number 2? Let's kick it.
Oh, shit. Yeah.
Oh shit, let's hear it out there, yo.
My boy Crew make this beat, yo. Fake killer, murder. Fake killer, murder. Yeah. Fake killer, murder. Motherfuckers you I never fucking heard of. You got to get verbally murdered. I don't give a shit. I know the whole time living is about to fucking hurt. Burn me your fucking bone. So I spit on the fucking microphone. You just mad, yo, bitch was out my bone. My ego was all alone. While she was up, I don't get the man. So what I just said. Fake killer, murder. Fake killer, murder. It's murder. I don't give a fuck when I'm done with you. Maybe it's murder when I'm done with you. And I see you coming through. Maybe it's double homicide. You decide.
Woo!
Maybe it's a double homicide. You decide. You choose. You want to battle Dutch mob, then you lose. You know how to do it. It's evil out of MIC. I'm just a crazy ass white boy from fuck MIC. MC. Other MCs can't rhyme with me. What the hell is you can't hit me? Who you can't beat? I knock you where I throw down. No, but Dutch might be all the fuck about. You say it out loud, you say it proud, cause I don't give a fuck. Dutch might coming through. You know how it do. Fake killer, murder. Fake killer, murder. Fake killer, murder. It's murder. Hey, we're asking this. I'm just hoping the motherfucking shit is on the pistol. I'm messing with the sword or shotgun. Then you got my nose in the pocket. I just don't give a fuck who the hell you are. It's murder. That, I'm a trash, I'm a burn like that. Outside of the people start to walk back. You're all over motherfuckers gonna snap. Get your heart and card at the wrist. No contest. When I start spitting, I hand on chest. So when you special, I sure know I'm not gonna lesson. That's what we go through testing. That's right now, it's gonna hit again. See the niggas up, my baby, you know how I am. You know what I'm doing.
Mama right there.
You ain't nothing but a fake, you're not going back to the same. When I ain't that, I'm trying to I've been looking at my chest. You eat that I see, you know what I do. Get up, guys. Give it up, guys. Come on, guys. Give it up. Shit. Let me keep this hip hop rolling. Thank you. Keep it rolling. You ready? Let's kick it.
That being tough.
No, it's okay.
MC Evil, son. I don't know.
Like a bitch about to get slapped. So fuck back, stop to the phone on the motherfucking track. Stop sticking as fuck, motherfuckers are sticking as fuck. I'm sticking as fuck, motherfuckers sticking as fuck. Now stop spitting, y'all got a dub. You shit out of luck. I want your ass over with a motherfucking truck. Yo, hey, know what I mean? You see what we just tried, man. We're back on the motherfucking scene. Always keeping it dirty, never keeping it clean. You know what the fuck I'm motherfucking mean? Yeah, I'm still ass fuck. Motherfucking side.
Yeah!
Give it up. Right there. Now this is the last song for this set. I want you guys to get a little closer right now. I want you to show some
You think that was good? You should have seen me when I recorded that song in my studio, yo.
Real hip hop is in the building, y'all. Let's get some support. Let's kick this shit.
Dutch
You ready, my boy?
Entertainment, yo. Thanks for support.
Let's kick it.
Let's do it. Yeah, this shit
I
sounds
like this shit.
for the switch up. Timmy B Beats. The switch up, got to throw the switch up, got to call this bitch up, got to hit the stitch up, people dead in the ditch, face in the dirt, punk bitch, about to get verbally heard. What the fuck you trying to talk about? Yo, Evil E, you know who you talk about, you know who it is. Yo, I get up in your bitch's bed, so I give her my pen. You know the biz, you know how it is, you know how it goes. You get touched by me, the whole time fucking through, come the motherfucking through. I don't give a fuck, about to get the switch up, about to hit the bitch up, about to get the bitch up, about to hit the stitch, dead in the ditch, face first. Motherfuckers wanna try to battle me, you're the worst. Suck, dead in the first, 6 feet deep, walk motherfuckers through me, look at the street. You're trying to go to sleep if you know what I say. See me and Dutch, my baby, get the fuck out of my way. Yeah, it's a switch up, have to throw the switch up, have to throw the switch down, have to lay the smack down. You know what I mean? I don't give a fuck, pound for pound, represent. And see what me and Dutch, my baby. Never make that know, you already know, show. Yeah.
Let's hear that shit.
My shit don't stop. I don't give a fuck about a bed or a motherfucking car. I think they need to stop and shit. I think they need to stop running the bed because they got to get the same live now. No doubt, motherfuckers, you know what Dutch might be all about. You know what I'm saying? Switch up, we gotta switch up. Back down, I'm on the mic, I still see it too. I'm on the river, raise the oil. I'm in the motherfucking Dutch, my baby, coming through, both up on the scene. Overseas at 30, never keep my things going on with the motherfucking beat. Yeah, cause it's switch up, back to get the switch up, back to call the switch up, back to hit the switch up, trying to take my dough. Fuck motherfuckers, he got fucked up for show. You already motherfucking know, motherfucking go. Cause the switch up, back to throw the switch up, back to call the switch up, back to hit the switch up. Get a fuck out my face, try to jack me for my loot. Fuck motherfucker, you and motherfucker really shoot. Switch up, back to throw the switch up, back to call the switch up. Yeah,
No, I feel like fucking Martin Scorsese, bro.
Everybody, guys.
switch up. Oh, what the fuck I say? It's people here. That was on my new CD. That beat, Timmy B Beats.
Free beer.
He's part of Dutch Mob. Alright? Dutch Mob Entertainment in the house.
I want that beat.
No doubt, buy my CD, son.
Aw, man.
Alright? Thank you very much, guys. Thanks for coming out. I love y'all. Good luck.
Woo! Yeah.
I tried to stick exactly.
That water's really good, Chris.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.